Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Many of you liked the random word technique to practice logo design, and I received many requests to make another one. In fact, I already planned to make it a series. So, this is the second video and have a nice watching. So, this is the random word generator website. I start by changing the number of words to 2. And I set the word length to less than 4, to get some simple words. I click here to start generating words. Jet oil, I spy, Beaver, Patlay, Ego art, and but run. And I will go with, I spy. First I will make some research with the generated words to get some inspiration. I start by spy photos. Now I try eyes icon. Now I start sketching some elements related to the keywords. I try to make some spy hats with different shapes. A magnifier icon that reflect the spy activity. A telescope. And some different shapes of eyes. Now, to make the logo, I combine some elements together. In this one, I combine a magnifier with an eye icon. In this concept, I combine a spy hat with an eye icon. Okay, this is the first sketch that I've imported to Illustrator. You can see how I did that from the previous video. So, I select the sketch photo, then I decrease the opacity a little. Then I go to Object, Lock, Selection. With the Ellipse tool, hold Shift and Alt, and make a circle aligned with the top part of the eye. I set the stroke color to black. Then I increase the size to 10. I think I'll increase it to 14. Then I manually align the circle with the sketch. Hold Alt and drag the circle up to duplicate it. Then align it with the bottom part of the sketch. Select the two circle together, then from the Pathfinder, click on Intersect. Now, make a circle inside the eye shape. Select this circle, go to Edit, click on Copy, return to Edit, click on Paste in place. Now shrink this circle a little bit, and then swipe the stroke and fill. Now make a little circle here. then change its color to white. Then drag it here. To make the magnifier hand, I make a vertical rectangle here. And I change its color to black. I think I will change what in the sketch, and I will make the magnifier looks rotated. So, I drag this rectangle here, then I rotate it to the left a little. I make it a little more closer, then with the direct selection tool, I select these two anchor points, and I drag the live widgets to make it rounded. Now, select the eye shape, go to Edit, click on Copy, then select this shape, return to Edit, and click on Paste in front. Now, drag it down and overlap it with the magnifier hand, then go to Object, click on Expand, and then press OK. Hold Shift and select this shape, go to Pathfinder, and press on -front. Finally, make the hand more closer. And this is our first concept. Okay, this is the second sketch. I select the photo, then I decrease the opacity. And then I lock the photo. With the pen tool, I trace the top part of the hat. Then, I fill the created shape in black. For the bottom part of the hat, I make a horizontal rectangle. Then I align it with the top part. With the direct selection tool, I select this point, then I drag it to the right. Then I select this one, and I drag it to the left. I hold Alt, and I stretch it a little. Now, to make this eye, I make a circle. Then I drag it up to align it with the sketch. With the direct selection tool, select the top anchor point and delete it. With pen tool, click here, then click here to close the path. Swipe the stroke and fill. Drag it a little bit up. And increase the stroke size. And change the align stroke to inside. Go to Object, click on Expand Appearance. Make a circle inside, that fits the circle in the sketch. Hold Shift and click on the eye shape to select it, then with the Shape Builder, hold Alt and click on the external parts to take it off. Make another little circle, and change its color to white. Now I place it here, and this is our second concept. The eyeline looks thinner than the bottom of the hat, so to make it look balanced, I select it, then I go to Object, Path, and I click on Offset Path. I keep the value to 1, and I try it out. I think it needs one more pixel. So, I press Ctrl Z. Then I return to Offset Path. I change the value to 2, then I press OK. Finally, I shrink the inside circles a little. One more thing, with the direct selection tool, I select the tip points of the hat, then I drag the live widgets to make it rounded. I do the same thing to this point. And for this 2 points of the bottom part of the hat. And this is our two concepts. I think that this part needs to get down a little, and that's it. I select the top part of the hat, and I change its color to dark gray. And this part, I give it a light blue color. And the eye with the same dark gray. Now, I color the second concept with the same colors. Then I shrink the two logos. And then I write the generated words I spy. I make the logo name bigger and I try to balance it with the icon. Then I give it the same colors. Now I duplicate the name and give it to the second concept. Then I try to balance it together. Finally, this is our two logos, and that's it for the practice of today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you in another video.